Gusto niyo bang magpagawa ng sidecar? Punta na! AG Up, Ironworks Sidecar, Service Offers Sidecar, steel trusses, fabrication, roofing installation, steel window gate fabrication, centralized and ducting and electrical installation, water tank installation, sliding door, sliding spiral, entry-case window, grill revision for all types in-house services. For rent, AGF Sound and Light Video Okay Projector Flat Screen TV. Located at Las Piñas City, Block 1, Lot 2, Beacon Place, Naga Road, Pulalupa 2. Kaya pagawa na. Don't forget subscribe and follow EG Apps Ironworks and my YouTube channel Galang Rider XR150. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Sira ba ang tricycle mo? Pagawa na! Punta na! EG App Ironworks Sidecar. May problema ba ang gate ng bahay mo? Kaya punta na, AG Up Ironworks Sidecar. Gusto mo ba magpagawa ng water tank? Punta na, AG Up Ironworks Sidecar. Gusto mo ba ng sounds? AG Up Sounds and Like. Punta na, AG Up Ironworks Sidecar. Subscribe Galang Rider XR150 and follow Facebook page AG Up Ironworks Sidecar. Thank you for watching.
25 years na ako nag-operate, sir.
Oh, ayos ah. Simula nung umalis ka na sa gobyerno.
Oo.
Nag-retired ka na.
Retire na.
Yan, so okay na. Pambakbak na naman to.